Hello and welcome back to LearnSBOM. I'm Juliet and today we'll be looking at a GitHub action to generate a CycloneDX SBOM for .NET projects. Alright, so to begin we will go into our repository with our .NET project. And before we begin creating our workflow, one additional feature that I will go over in this video is committing the generated SBOM to the repository. So in order for that to work, we will need to edit some permission settings, and we're just going to do that now to avoid it being an issue later. So be aware that if you want to commit the SBOM to the repository, you will need to go to settings, and so let's go to settings. Then you're going to go to actions, general, and then down under workflow permissions, select read and write permissions. Alright, so let's go ahead and save this settings. Okay, so now back to creating the workflow. We're going to go over to this actions tab. And then we're going to select set up a workflow ourselves. And in these file contents right here, we're just going to put the following. Okay, so what's going on here is that we are going to generate the SBOM, and one important thing to note here is that I selected a JSON SBOM here. I could have also selected an XML format, but here I did JSON. Alright, and then I also decided to add the functionality of uploading the SBOM as an artifact and also committing it to the repository. This is just to show that you have some options available when it comes to extracting that SBOM that we're generating up here. Okay, so let's go ahead and commit the changes, and then we're going to go over to the actions tab. And so we can look at the progress here. So we're going to go to actions and then select on the workflow running. Then if we go into here, we will see the progress of the job. So we're just going to click on this. Okay, so you just see it's all running right now. Oops. Okay, so we've got the green check mark. Everything's done. So once it is completed, let me close all of this up. Alright, so once all of the jobs are completed, we can go and we can actually look at the SBOM that we generated here. Here we go, perfect. And then since we added those other features with the artifact and committing to the repo, we can go back to the summary. So if we go back to summary, and then we can see that at the bottom, this SBOM right here is available to download as an artifact. So you just need to click it and it will download it. And so also if we go to the code, we will see the BOM.json that it was committed to the repository, and we can also see the SBOM contents there. And so those are just two ways, of course the workflow that we created generated the SBOM, and then those are just two options that you have in extracting it. So yeah, that concludes our tutorial of the GitHub action to generate a CycloneDX SBOM for your .NET project. Reach out and let us know if you have any questions.
Thank you for checking out this video. If you really liked it, be sure to check out our other videos right here, and then you can also subscribe right up top here. And again, thank you. Bye-bye.